What is 0.06% as a fraction in simplest form? Look, so rewrite this. Instead of percent, you can write 1 over 100, 0.06 times 1 over 100. Now multiply top number together, 0.06 divided by 100. 10 100, these are called power of 10. So to divide a decimal by power of 10, just move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros in power of 10. Here I have two zeros, so decimal point will move two places, one place, placeholder 0, two place here. So we are getting decimal 0.0006. Okay. You can add one more zero to mean that this is less than 1. Now we need to convert this decimal to fraction. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, just write 10 for every digit as a multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 410 as a multiplication. This zero don't have any value. So divide this 6 by, now we need to simplify this fraction. Look, the common factor between 6 and 10 is 2, because this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. I'll get 5 if I divide 10 by 2. I'll get 3 if I divide this 6 by 3. 3 is a prime number because it has only two factor, 1 and the digit itself. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, I think you are done. You have, so 3. Now 5 times this. So if you multiply 1 times 1 times 1, 1, then add 3 0, 5 times. So 3, 5 times 1, 5, add zeros. That is 3 over 5000. The common factor between 3 and 5000 is just 1. So we are done. This is the result.